Alright, we're leaving Sydney now, going to Seal Rocks. It's up north near Foster, about 3.5 hour drive. I got Asa in the back. He's a bit moody today. He didn't eat yesterday, so he's very hangry.
No.
You can hear him in the back.
I've been screaming about...
You've been screaming, baby. Correct? Yeah. You know, he's not denying it, so yeah. We're gonna do a bit of fishing, fire starting, camping, hiking, and we're just gonna have a good old time. Right, Asa?
No.
No. Great, we'll see you there. I'm not, boss. I'm not. We're almost there. Yeah. Yo. Look at this beach. You can go fishing. Hands on the wheel.
So cool, Abba.
Yeah. Okay, we arrived.
Can you do it?
Do you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You can film me. You want to show everybody the campsite?
Yeah.
So hold it like this and go show them over there. Go over there.
Are we ready, Abba? Is it ready, Abba?
Yeah, you want to show them the water?
Yeah. Abba.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Put this one. Now we. Okay, one. Thank you. Okay. Go under, so you don't get wet. Oh, not the best conditions, but this is the cards we got dealt today. We're gonna make the best of it. Asa, you happy, big dog? I'm looking.
Can I knock it?
You gonna hammer it? Yeah, you go do it. What? Whoopsie. You okay? Up you get. Good man. Beer. Yeah. And this one you hold here, and then you go. Where are we going?
We're getting wood.
We're getting wood?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We're getting wood, but we're gonna have fun tonight?
No.
No?
I get digging.
You need to keep digging?
Yeah.
Let's get wood and then you can keep digging, okay?
Okay.
We got some timber.
No. They do.
Let's go. Grab this. Abba grab the big ones. Camp. We're going to the nearby beach. We're gonna try fishing dinner. Yeah.
Try to fish.
Yeah, we're gonna try and fish. Yeah.
I got a fish out.
Yeah, we're gonna fish out. What fish do you want to get?
Mommy red.
A red one?
A red fish.
That's cool.
I'm so excited, Abba.
You so excited?
Yeah.
Nice. What was that?
Abba,
Yeah.
what was that?
Ooh, buddy. That's a big boy. Look like a python. Look at this guy.
Big snake.
Was it a big snake?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Look at the whales. Spin it, it's fun. We didn't catch any fish, right?
Any fish?
We didn't catch any, right? But did we see dolphins?
No.
We didn't? I think we did. And did we see a whale?
No.
We did see a whale.
Not a whale.
Yes, a whale.
Not a whale.
Yes, a whale.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Not a whale. No. No.
Anyway, no fish. We're heading back to camp. We're gonna make dinner.
Papa, are you getting the mud?
While the fire is cooking, I'm gonna start cooking. On the menu is lamb kebabs. You want some lamb kebab?
No.
Yeah, okay. Look at the bush turkey. Bush.
There.
Some coriander.
Papa.
Some green onions.
Papa.
This goes here.
You cutting onion?
Yeah, cut the onion.
I'm putting onion.
And now we'll go this way like this. We put it in our bowl. Bang.
I'm putting onion, Papa.
That goes in the bowl.
And this one?
This one, rubbish.
So got this one?
Thank you. This one you take. You bash.
Papa.
We bash it.
I pass it.
This. You just go back and forth.
That's so delicious.
That's so delicious, baby. Back. Now we need some tomatoes.
Oh, tomatoes? Tomatoes so delicious, Papa.
You love tomatoes?
I do like tomatoes.
That's good.
Got this one.
But
Papa,
yeah,
can we this one?
premium lamb.
And
Put it in here
the garlic.
like this. So I made a bag with cumin, paprika, and a little bit of baking powder. It helps
Papa,
kind of fluff up the kebabs.
I can do it.
You gonna pour it in?
Yeah.
Pour it in here. All of it.
Oh,
Nice.
that's so nice, Papa.
Very good.
Let's get some salt, Papa.
That's enough?
Stir up, Papa.
Yeah, I'll mix it up.
Can we, Papa?
Yeah. You see all this? You want to get all the good stuff in there?
Papa? Papa?
Let's clean up. Watch the fire. Don't run it. Or don't run next to the fire.
No, Papa. Papa. Papa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of the right, Papa. 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 I need roses up. And that's roses.
See how we cleaned it up. This we can use here. Like this. Here, look. Put the potato here. And now we're gonna wrap it up nice.
You wrap the potato?
Yeah. Close. Close.
Papa.
Nice. Ready, PJs? And this one. Do it. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Gonna use the hot coals on there. I don't think this potato situation is gonna work for me. So, just gonna move these, put them around the fire.
Papa?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oops.
Papa, that's so cool, Papa. Can you do it, Papa?
Yeah, you can do it. Just wash your hands. Wash. And the other one. And you can do like me, look, I take some,
I can get one.
Yeah, you can get one. And I'll make a bowl out of it like this.
Can I get one?
Yeah, take one. Yeah.
Get one?
Make a bowl out of it. Like this. And then you do this. Take one, you make a bowl. Then you do this, you put it down.
Make a bowl.
And then you take another piece.
In my room?
And you go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And you're done.
To cook it?
Yeah, we have to cook it first.
Can we do the make one?
You put it down. Here.
Yeah.
Put it in. Put it in.
Yeah.
We close it. We put it aside. And now you take. So I pre-made this flour yeast mix. It's basically about a cup of flour.
Oh, flour.
And about half a sachet of dry yeast.
Such a rain.
Which is probably around 7, sorry, not 7 grams. It's probably around 3 or 4 grams, I think. Asa, let's add some water in it.
Add some
Here,
water.
hold this. Carefully add water, carefully. That's it, that's it, that's it. Bong. Very good.
Ooh.
So Asa added some water. Now we're gonna close our bag. Like this.
It's a cheaper.
I like to take the air out. Close it. And now we're gonna knead it inside the bag.
Inside?
Yeah, you wanna do it? Wait, like this, you see? We need to add a little bit more water. Can you add a little bit more water?
Yeah.
Just a little tiny bit. That's it. Very good.
That's so cool. More water?
Let me check 1 second.
Let's check.
I think it's actually perfect, Asa.
Yes, this is perfect. It's actually perfect.
This is actually perfect. And then we can have kebab
So
and bread.
Bread. That's it again.
So what we're gonna do now is, because we forgot to mix it with our dinner, I'm gonna put it near the fire and it's gonna ferment much quicker. I love you. Skitty ma rinky dinky dink, skitty ma rinky dink. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skitty ma rinky dinky dink, skitty ma rinky doo. I love you. Skitty ma rinky doo.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go. Go catch it. Go, go, go. Fire is cranking. Asa is chasing bush. Asa is chasing bush turkeys. Look at the bread. It's been maybe 35 minutes. And it's nice and fermented. It's all air in there. You can see it's air. You can see the moisture. So this is almost ready to go.
Oh, where's the turkey?
Where's the turkey? I don't know.
What's the bread about? So I got food out on the fire.
No, you can't do that.
Let me do it. I need to do it.
No, baby, it's too hot. It's too hot, Asa.
Not too hot.
It is too hot. Trust me.
Not too hot. Not too hot, Abba.
We're gonna let this cook.
No.
And then we're gonna have a very nice dinner. Ah, that's hot. Okay, we'll let it a little longer.
Buddy. Maybe it's in bigger food.
Yeah, baby. Put this here. It's a bit hotter.
So green. She's so green.
Very good. Put it here.
No, here. Bigger Abba.
Thanks, baby.
Bigger Abba.
1 second, baby. Try this.
Okay. It's hot.
It's a bit hot.
Nick,
Here. Have some. Good man. How's that? Yummy.
Yeah.
It's good, huh?
Okay, it's hot, Abba.
Yeah. Up. Oh.
Abba, can I play? Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah, I'll get you one more. You're welcome, baby. I'm gonna make some bread. You want some potato?
No,
You sure?
I'm eating food, Abba.
Ooh, that's hot. Look at this perfect potato. Gonna move our kebabs over here. Oops. And I'll make this bread for us. Beautiful.
That's so delicious, Abba. Abba,
You want some potato, Asa?
no. Abba,
Yeah.
the hot.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Check this out.
The kitchen is so hot, Abba. The kitchen is so hot, Abba.
This really nice fluffy bread.
Oh, the kitchen is so
Less than an hour.
hot. The cat is so hot, Abba. It's so delicious. Abba. Abba.
Yeah.
Abba.
Yeah.
The carrot water?
The bread?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. It's hot. I'll put it here for you.
Abba. You cut it?
How's the bread?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Oh, I got you. Whoa. Oh. Oh, you got me. There you go.
Yeah. Catch it.
Can I have a sip? Over here? And over here? Alright, we're gonna call it. We had a massive day.
Abba.
We're well fed.
So go fix
We're
it.
ready to go to bed.
So
I
go-
think we're gonna watch a little bit of the iPad. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Dance like a ghost at a Halloween party. Dance like a
Good morning.
Again.
Good morning.
We just woke up. It's about 6.
Wait.
It was a lovely sleep. You can hear the ocean.
It's just this way.
And the kookaburra woke us up. Now we're gonna get out, start packing down the camp and head down to the beach again. We had some heavy rain last night.
Abba.
Look at our camp this morning.
Abba.
We just got a lot of water there
I need tissue.
accumulated.
I need tissue.
But it's a beautiful morning.
Give it. Abba.
There is a path from our campsite to the beach, so we're gonna try and walk to the beach, right?
to go up the beach.
Did you have fun camping?
Yeah.
You want to go again next week?
Yeah.
Oh, Asa, come check this out, come! It's a puffer fish. You see he has spikes on his back? So don't touch it because he has spikes. And he puffs up when he's angry. He goes like this when he's angry, but now he's dead. Before Seal Rocks was a European settlement. It was occupied by the Aboriginal Warimi people that were living here before then. Seal Rocks is called Seal Rocks because there's a lot of seals on the rocks in Seal Rocks. We're gonna head back to the car. We've been exploring here for a while. We're gonna go back home. We have a 3.5 hour drive ahead of us. Hopefully kids fall asleep and I can enjoy my drive. Otherwise it's gonna be a challenge. I'll see you next time.